every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control.
Hey guys, welcome to the live session with Stock Sniper Trading. Guys, my name is Dave, my partner is Ron. Today is February 28th, almost last day of the month, right? And yeah guys, it's supposed to be a good one leading into March, all right? Guys, just keep in mind, we're not financial advisors, okay? We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. Any trades are completely taken upon yourself, all right? Make sure to use smaller lot sizes and only risk what you can afford to potentially lose, all right? Guys, this right here, US 30, this is a trade idea that we sent to the group this morning about 15-20 minutes ago. Okay, you can see the setup. It's currently running about 100 pips, roughly around 142. That's on US 30, guys. Okay, so but with that being said, members, monitor this. All right, we're gonna head over and we're gonna look at gold. Okay, all right guys, members, this was that gold idea yesterday that we sent. You can still see that if you held, you're still looking at good profit, but that was yesterday. Okay, we're going to go start from the top down on the daily. Okay, all right guys, so let's get down. The business. All right guys, so you can see, just draw your first supply zone, a big long wick right here, indecision close on gold on February 24th. Okay, the next couple candles you can see it's been sideways trading. All right, so I'm going to draw some short-term demand right around this area right here. All right, if we break below, same as last week guys, finding some support if we break out of demand, and then same with the resistance looking to the upside. All right, so I'm going to gather this current wick right here. All right, and the current candle wick on the daily. So from daily we're going to drop now down to the 4-hour. So you can see the gold has been kind of indecisive. We have big news coming out of, obviously, you know, what's going on in the world. So we're going to watch and see how gold is going to start to play out. We might see a potential pump, or you might see a potential reversal depending, and start to fill these wicks. Okay, so you can see the setup of gold is really indecisive right now. All right, a lot of weak closes. We're not getting a lot of continuation pushes. All right, you can see a little bit of doji spinning top action here. You have a long bottom wick, currently like another spinning top, almost doji on the current candle right now in the 4-hour. All right, so we got our stuff trapped. Now it's just doing the small work. Okay, I'm going to drop now down to the hourly, see what kind of candles we're working with here. You can see that on the hour we do have a nice potential uptrend starting to form. Okay, so we're going to see now if price is going to get some rejection here and start to sell off, or if we're going to get a continuation push. Okay, move that over. Let's actually gather that right there. There we go. Okay. All right, guys. So from there, we're going to drop now down to the 30-minute. You can still see 30-minute uptrend is still looking nice. Coming in from the hour. Let's watch and see. Okay. RSI is just almost above the 50. It's kind of hovering right around there right now. There we go. Okay, so you can see It's just kind of above here. Sorry, getting a little bit of momentum. There's not much volume being pushed. So find some support, and then we're going to start to trap. All right. So from there, we're going to go down to the 15-minute. Perfect. Okay, drop now down to baby blue. Does everyone have a good weekend so far, guys? Yeah, guys, we have NFP this week. Should be a good week. Watch and see how things start to close. What kind of week we're looking at getting here. So look at where we're at, guys. A little bit of consolidation on gold. Okay, so we're going to watch now and see what's going to happen based on this move. Okay, you can see the price dipped above the RSI, so we're getting a little bit of a push down here, and now we're just holding right around that 50 line in the consolidation. Okay, so let's watch and see what kind of a breakout we're going to get, if it's going to be a breakout to the upside or to the downside. Okay, as if gold does want to continue selling, all right, 1904, okay, roughly 27, all right, and you can see on the 15-minute how this is looking. We have a nice long wick to the upside, okay, nice bullish momentum coming here, but if we start to dip down, 1904.27, you get a little bit of a retracement pullback here, unless price really wants to continue and hold this overall trend. Remember I showed you on the hourly, okay, we're going to see if she's going to start to hold now on the 15-minute. Okay, and if price wants to rise, guys, looking at this type of move up here. Okay, on 1908. So guys, we're around a 40 pip box with an uptrend here. If we do break this uptrend, okay, price start to come here, break, and then you will start to see a lead and a fall. If price starts to hold and bounce off this trend, you might start to see an initial push, leading price breaking out at 1908, maybe getting to 1912. All right. So we're gonna have some patience on gold, guys. It's only 7:36. All right, so this should be a patient time. We should just watch price leading into the new hourly candle. All right. There is good movement that can potentially happen here. We do have a nice setup opportunity on gold. It's trapped. Like I said, we can figure out based on price if we're gonna get a nice push or pull. So let's just wait. Like I said, we've only been live for about 6 minutes. So let's go check out that US 30 trade, guys. Okay, so members, you can start to see that price is getting some resistance here. It's still holding, all right, but you can start to see they're starting to get a little bit of a pullback. Sorry about that, guys. A little bit of a pullback here, okay. So just monitor US 30 members if you're still in it. My suggestion is close and we'll look for something else, okay. But we're gonna go over Nasdaq now, okay. So we're gonna go on the daily. Okay, guys, this is Nasdaq on Global Prime. Okay, you can use whatever chart you want. The numbers might be a little different, but what we're looking for is the actual patterns itself. Okay, so let me just see something here. Nice buying on the daily. Guys, remember, this is February 24th. Okay, we're currently 4 days, obviously, leading into it. So we got to make sure that we're getting some kind of a support area right up in here. All right. The current candle looks pretty good. We also have a nice body close here. there is some manipulation on price. You can see they gapped it up, maybe gapped it down. Now they're starting to push it bullish. All right, so we just have to watch and see what kind of monitor, or say watch and see and monitor how price is going to move in the next probably few hours. All right, leading into market open. There we go. Yeah, it was big, eh, Adrian? Yeah, absolutely it was. Okay. Okay, guys, so from the daily now we're going to drop down to the 4 hour. Remember I talked about that gap, the manipulation of price right here? That was yesterday. All right, so you can see they're gapped. Now they're starting to fill it. They're getting right at the bottom candle wick of the previous resistance. All right, it was once acting as support, then they gapped it down. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay, guys, now we're going to drop down to the hourly. So, guys, for you not understanding gaps, all right, this is a gap. This is on market open. Okay, usually at 6 on Sundays, and you can get them in between swap sessions too. But usually Sundays are the best. Okay, take a little bit of time. You can see that. Just tighten everything up here, guys. On the hourly, very similar to gold, you have a nice little uptrend here forming. Okay, so let's watch and see if price is going to start to rise and maybe tap the 14,089 area, or if we're going to get some rejection here based on the support, which is probably going to act as resistance now, and then push price back down. Okay. Perfect. All right, so now what I'm looking for here, guys, that's what I wanted right there. Okay, so from the hourly, we're going to drop now down to the 30-minute. Guys, gold pumped. We'll go check it out in 2 seconds here. All right. Okay, good. There we go, guys. So let's watch 30 minutes. Drop down to the 15. Okay, if price starts to rise, we have support formation here. Just a little pump. Okay, thanks. Let me know, guys. Okay, and then we're gonna drop down to the 5. So, guys, this is Nasdaq leading it from a top down. All right, you can see that we are kind of consolidating with wick, top wick here. Okay, so let's watch and see how price is going to react based on where we are. All right. Okay, so watch monitor. We'll see on Nasdaq. Just gonna mark some price flags here. Current higher time frame support. Resistance we have is 13,941. Baby company, my inhale, exhale. That's just me breathing, brother. Sorry, my man. The baby company, bro. Your inhale, exhale sound coming in, mic. Okay, thank you. I'll try not to breathe, bro. Okay, have some support down here. Perfect. Okay, guys, so you get gold bullish break at 1809. Okay, let's try something here, guys. Okay, so there's Nasdaq, a little bit of a break here. Okay, we're gonna do double screen maybe. We'll leave it for tomorrow, but we're gonna get back to double screens, guys. Okay, so 46 seconds left. Let's watch and see how price is gonna move. Members, look to secure that US 30 trade. Okay. Mo, I would not enter in right now, even though there is still a good amount of gap there. I would wait for the pullback and then watch to see what price is going to do. Okay. Okay, here we go. About what time is it here? Okay, so it's 12:45, guys. No, sorry, that's UTC. 7:45. There we go. Okay, you can see the price of gold is not getting a confirmed close. It's starting to get a little bit of a top wick. Move that down a little bit. There we go. Okay, a little bit of a top wick. Bouncing off of the 50 of the RSI, you can see it's finding some support, starting to rise. So let's see if we're going to get a continuation. Looks like a double bottom here. Okay, but again, we got to get a confirmed close up here for price to start to rise. If gold does not hold up here, look at the area that we're in, guys. Look to the left, okay, especially on the 15. All right, we've had some nice momentum here push. Okay, it's been very nice. We're now at this critical area where price has started to sell off here, so we got to see if price is going to hold here, or we might get a little bit of a dip down back in the consolidation, maybe tap that overall uptrend here. All right, for price to, maybe get a little bit more liquidity before it pushes, or they're just going to retrace here and start to sell off. Right, there's a few things I'm noticing, guys. Remember, we have a large wick. All right, on this is higher time frame. Okay, so whether we're going to fill that today might not be the case, not entirely sure, but that's why we watch price. Okay, but this is what I'm noticing. This is why I'm a little bit biased on gold, but gold initially obviously opened up very bullish last night, and then you had your massive sell-offs, which we were in on. Okay, Joshua Key, good. Okay, so guys, right now on the 5-minute, okay, although we look at the 15, you got to notice the divergent place. Okay, you can see that price is starting to move down. All right, moving towards that 50 line. We see that price is starting to make a little bit of an uptrend here. That's why I mentioned too, you might get a little bit of a pullback here. Okay, if not, the 5-minute divergence is not showing. So you can also look at the 15. Okay, if we erase this, there's no divergence on the 15, it's just on the 5-minute. All right, so go over and check Nasdaq here for a quick second. I'm just going to do this. And learn. Go. What are you guys' thoughts? Do you guys think gold is bullish or bearish? bullish. Okay, guys, let me know YouTube too. Okay, about a minute left. I just want to see how this candle closes, guys, and then we're going to go check out Nasdaq. All right, we have not done GU. Okay, we have not done GU, so we're probably just going to do gold, Nasdaq, and then US 30. Okay, about 40 seconds left, guys. Remember, I always mentioned to you, the last minute is when you're going to see a lot of action here, okay? Albin, yes, I am. Okay, 2 seconds, guys. Let's watch and see how this price next candle is going to open. Most likely, I think it's going to go a little bit bearish first, and then we're going to see what kind of bull move we get if we do get it. Okay. So new candles opening up a little bit bearish here. Let's see if we're going to get a retest, guys. All right. Okay, here's your retest. If it doesn't hold here, guys, it's going to start to flush. All right, so let's watch. Okay, 3 minutes. Okay, guys, so remember we talked about here's the bullish retracement. Okay, it's either going to be a retest. Okay, so push. We're going to retest, or they're going to push it right through. Okay, so let's watch and see. I have $13, so please suggest any future trading crypto. I'm using Binance app, buddy. I would not be trading crypto with $13. Just for real, that $13 can become zero in a heartbeat. If anything, you know what I mean. I don't have a suggestion of what you should do with your $13. Okay, I'm not trying to be rude. I just don't. Okay, guys. So gold is starting to run. Okay, we just hit TP1, guys. So about 14 pips, 15 pips. Nice little move. Okay. Members, I secured that trade. I'm happy with it. Okay. Don't be afraid to secure this trade either. Okay, guys. Price can radically reverse at any time, especially on gold. I'm going to leave this erased right there. Okay. Gmith, price flag, entry point. Price flag, entry point. Right there, buddy. Okay. Also, baby company, if you are looking to really fund, HankoTrade has a really good account where they match your deposit. Okay, so HankoTrade, it's the link is in the description. Look at the ECN Plus, and then check it out. Okay, guys. So you can see we're not getting much volume push right now. It's kind of like an indecision spinning top candlesticks. Okay, Joy, I would rather take a low spread and pay a better commission. You know what I mean? Spreads are not too bad. You can check them out, open up a demo account. Okay, so guys, you can start to see now a little bit of push here, closing pin bar-ish, almost doji. Okay, there's still a minute left. There you go. You can see now starting to retrace a little bit, getting some rejection. You just got to expect it from the left here, guys. So if price does start to reverse, we're not going to get a push back up here. So if you guys are in on this, look to secure. Okay, look to secure some of your partials, some of your profit. We might not get a nice push. If that's the case, what I'm going to do is look for a potential sell. I want to see putting on the 9. Okay, so if we start to retrace here, I'm looking for a kind of a short around this body right here, but I got to get through the bottom. Guys, I got to get through the bottom of the moving average. Okay, so the 9 moving average we need to break through. Okay, you need to break through the 9 and then look at 1906.86. Let's watch. Okay, so let's monitor this. Let's go check out Nasdaq for 2 seconds. This is the one I wanted to see the candle close. Okay, a lot of wick. Looking for the bodies right there. Okay. This is if Nasdaq wants to break through support here, break this wick, potential sell. If it wants to push above, guys, I'm looking at something like this for a bullish flag pattern. We've seen this before. It's worked out a few times, so now we just got to be patient and see if we're going to see it again. All right, let's go back to gold. Okay, so remember, guys, I told you secure your partials, secure your profits. Let's watch and see how we're going to get any kind of movement here. Take a look at the 15. Rejection, guys. Heavy rejection, okay? Coming from the previous resistance to the left. Alright, so that's really important, guys, that you're always looking to your left. Here's a critical area that we're on gold now. Okay? The 9 moving average. Remember, guys, okay, 20-30 pips. Alright, this is 1908, the entry, 1906. That's almost 22 pip difference. Okay, so that would be your stop loss down here if you're still in the buy. But my suggestion was I told you guys I'm here to close just because of the overall momentum push that we're getting from the left for the rejection here. All right. Okay, so let's go check out Nasdaq. Been a little bit slow on gold. We'll still watch. I'm just going to set an alarm right here. There we go. And then similar, we're going to set another one right here. I'm just going to delete it, guys, because we already hit it once. Might not hit it again, so. All right, now let's go check out Nasdaq. Okay, there's about a minute and 50, about a minute, yeah, roughly under a minute and 50, guys. So let's watch and see how we're going to have this candle close. All right. Robert, on which? Gold or Nasdaq? Okay, there's gold here, guys. Go check out gold. Definitely want to check out Nasdaq too. She's falling, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Perfect. Okay, guys. I'm in Nasdaq, guys. I'm going to secure some of this. Right. We'll go back to gold. Wow, look at that. Ah, fuck. Secured it just as it dumped. I got the initial, guys. I didn't get the dump, though. Okay, you can see now it's retracing here. I'm still going to leave this. That was a nice move. Nice move, retracement, rejection, then the dump. So let's go check out gold. Oof, oof, guys, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. So no sell entry, guys. No entry. That was 1906. Still bullish. Wow, look at this pump. Okay, guys, gold is still rising. Okay, 8 o'clock. This is the new hour candle. Okay, expect some kind of retracement here. They pumped it up just before the hourly close. You can see you're getting some resistance now. All right. So gold made a nice, beautiful move, guys. It hit all the TPs. All right. About 35 pips. 35 pips. The way we're looking down here, okay, the only reason why I was looking down here, guys, at this point, it was kind of making like a double top. All right. This was a double bottom right here. Okay. You can see the break and then the retest, and then you had your ignited candle. Okay. If price, right, had stayed here, and then you started to see it sell off and then break the trend, that's what we're looking for an M pattern. But price went bullish and continued bullish. So now, guys, secure at will. All right, we don't, if we look to the left, we're getting some resistance at the top wick. Okay, so don't get greedy, guys. Gold can still reverse. Okay, remember, we're getting some divergence here. All right, price is starting to dip a little bit, and then you can see the overall candle price action is starting to make some push. Okay, so that's why you're getting that's why you don't buy at the top. You watch for the trapping gap and then the push to the upside or the downside. So now you can see that price of gold is retracing. Okay, let's watch and see how far it's going to retrace to. And this is the new hour candle, guys. This is you can see it says 1308. The current time is 8 o'clock. All right, this is on UTC. I'm on EST. All right, so this is a liquidity grab, 8 a.m., the new candle, and now they're dumping it. Okay, so don't be surprised if you start to see even further of a dump continuation. All right, just because of this type of movement that we're starting to see. So remember the short. All right, it's looking like potentially an opportunity again, but let's watch and see. Okay, just gonna move that up. Okay, so we'll check out Nasdaq for uno momento. Okay, so Nasdaq, it actually hit 13,882, and now you can see it's getting some resistance here. Sorry, it's getting some support. My bad, I was saying resistance because it's in a downtrend. Support here, now you're starting to possibly push back up, getting towards that 9 moving average. You can also see that price is getting rejected at that 90. They're not breaking. If it broke here it's going to break that, or sorry, the 50 line, not 90. The 50 line, you can see it broke there, 50 would have broke, and then you would have had your downtrend continuation. Okay, nothing like that happened, right? So you're getting the support being held here, and that's why you're getting this long bottom wick and some ignited buyers coming in from the top. Okay, the baby company, no, not full time. I do it for a few hours a day. Why SSC has more followers from India? Guys, our following is actually all in Europe, Africa, and India. We have a big following over there. Although we're from Canada, we're somehow we got international based on everyone. Okay, so let's go look at gold. Okay, so about 4 minutes 54 seconds. Okay, let's watch. Okay, 4 minutes. We're on 4 minutes. Albin, both. Okay, let's go check out Nasdaq. Okay, getting some rejection here, guys. So Nas is closing indecision right now. You can see the types of candles. They're getting closed below that 13,906 area. Okay, we need more of a push. Okay, if we're going to start to retrace, get up to this 9. If not, you're going to hold resistance here and you're going to see price start to walk back down. Dinesh, yeah, buddy, you got to send us your Telegram link. We've sent 100 emails. Send us the link. The QR code is taking us to a bot. All right, we shouldn't be doing this live either. Just deal with us in email, my man. 807. Okay, for NAS, let's go back to gold. Okay, so 2 minutes 30 seconds coming to that 9 moving average, guys. If we start to break here, I'm going to move this up just a little bit. Just to see if we're going to get a flush. Guys, and just remember, okay, all brokers are different, all right? This is gold on Saxo, okay? US 30, there's a Wanda, and there's Global Prime. Nasdaq, Global Prime, okay? So all brokers provide different liquidity. So if numbers are different, the candles are roughly the same, you just got to notice the numbers of the difference, all right? So guys, if gold is going to start to hold above here, we're going to start to see a continuation trend. Highlights for the part of it. Well, remember, anyone here a broker that was coming up? Key, what's a valuable lesson? Let us know. What up, our party man? There we go. Okay, guys, so about a minute left here. We're going to check out that Dirty 30 trade, members. Okay, guys, so remember that pump we had in the morning? Okay, guys, so we had a nice little 100 pip move on the Dirty 30. Now you can see it's getting some rejection and close. So if you guys are with me right before the call started, I said, get out, close the position. We'll watch and see the next type of move. But right now, you can see we're right at break even, guys. Right at break even. Okay. Still looking pretty bullish right now on gold. Nothing's really tapped down. 2 seconds left. Let's watch and see how this candle is going to close. The next one's open. Okay. 8:10, guys. Still early in the call. Let's check out the news here. All right. 8:30. Okay, 9:45 we have Chicago PMI. 8:30 we have Canadian and US news. So this is what we're coming into right now. There's nothing much. You have trade balances. So we might get a little bit of movement here. There's not, and what I'm looking for is the orange or red folders to judging by high impact or medium impact. Okay. You can see right now that nothing is here. All right. We're just might be going to get some sideways trading. Gold is most likely going to see if we're going to get a reversal here and see if we're going to get a continuation sell. Okay, let's go check out NAS. A lot of indecision right now, guys. Look at the candles on Nasdaq. All right, indecision. You're starting to close above 13,906. It's getting some resistance at the 9 moving average. All right, if it starts to continue to short down here, guys, it'll be a nice opportunity for a continuation. If not, you're going to start to see it pick up some volume here, break that 9, and then start to push to the upside here. Okay. I don't like the volume candles right now. In terms, like the candles that we're in, there's no volume. All right, so it's going to go stick to gold. I want to trade something that has some volume here. All right. Okay, there's the 1 minutes, guys. Okay, back to the 5. So look at the long wicks, guys. We're coming in right at that 9 moving average, holding right around 1908, exactly where we had it before. Okay, so let's watch and see. just watch here. Okay, so there was your cool off. About a minute left. All right. So check out this nasty. Okay, so we talked about this moving average. It's getting some resistance here, pushed. Okay, it's starting to close below that 13,906. All right. We have to see some continuation break down there. Like you can see the wicks. This wick is below. This wick is starting to close higher, which you can see that price is starting to hold. Okay, but we need to start to make a directional break this uptrend, break the support if we're going to see the continuation. All right. Okay, so Nasdaq is looking like it's breaking here. Let's watch. Okay, so saved by the uptrend, guys. Okay, 4 minutes. Okay, guys, so 3 minutes and 45 seconds. All right, ascending flat top here. If this starts to break, like I said, you're going to start to see the decrease. If it's going to start to rise, it's got to break above here, and then most likely the target will be this overall consolidation area. Okay, let's go check out gold. Remember, as you can see, it's starting to rise now, holding that uptrend. Okay, let's go check out gold. Okay, 2 minutes. Wait to the 5-minute candle. Wait 2 minutes here, guys. You can start to see it slowly starting to fade. Okay, about 2 minutes now. Remember, guys, on the 15, okay, we haven't really been talking too much here. It's just kind of chill, chill, chill. There's a long wick on the left, okay? I'm not saying this is going to hit today, but this is a good opportunity maybe for it to eventually get there. Just keep this in mind, all right? Franco, no, I'm just waiting on gold right now. Okay, I'm waiting for literally that 820 to candle to come in. I want to see if we're going to get a push or pull. All right. Okay, slow decrease. Okay, so gold. You can see it's starting to hold that support 1910, starting to walk to the upside. Let's watch. Yeah, guys, members, you guys should be looking at you see gold is starting to retrace now. Okay, so they're holding that new candle open up at 920. Remember, or sorry, 820. This is what I wanted to show you. Wait for the next 5-minute candle opens up. You can see it's slowly starting to decrease, break this moving average right here. All right. Where are the 100 pip moves? I don't know. That's a good question. Where are they? We're trading during a war, guys. Like anything can happen at any time. Remember that. It was like during the elections. One tweet could shoot the price up and down anytime they wanted. Okay, so look at Nasdaq. Really chop, guys. A lot of choppy action here. You can see that with the movement that we're getting in, it's you don't want to be trading this kind of stuff right here. Okay, like you can see the long wicks. All right, long wicks. It's this is some scary stuff right here. All right, so if we're going to do anything, we're going to hold some support here and see if we're going to get a little bit of a walk to the upside. All right. There's gold. Okay. Members monitor the dirty 30 right now. Okay, it's at a critical area. Rav, I am. Yes. I've been in for about 10 minutes. Read what was sent. 1%. Very small. Okay, guys, let's go check out oil for 1 second. We're not going to do it, but you can see oil is getting a little bit of a pump here. Okay, oil's coming to a downtrend break. There's a big, you can see the gap on oil right here. All right, they don't want to let it break. If they do, she's going to start to fall here. All right. So guys, trade setup for oil. It might not be right now, but you can see that if price wants to decrease, it, like I said, just because you see the gaps doesn't mean they're going to fill them automatically. It's just imbalances. Okay, but at some point they're going to fill. Alright, so we got to watch and see when that's going to be. Okay guys, and this is oil on TVC. Gaps is your broker lagging. Yeah, this isn't my broker though. TVC. Look at oils. Look at the gold sell, guys. Gold is selling off. Let's watch. There's the potential gold dump. All right, let's watch and see how far this is going to go. Okay. So you can see gold now made a full retracement, guys. Made a full retracement back down to the overall entry. Okay. So we're going to see now if we're going to start to hold here, or if gold is going to really start to dump off, and then you're going to get your continuation. All right. A lot of time it just retests here. You know what I mean? If it does start to break, guys, you can give it a little bit of wiggle room if you want. If you don't feel comfortable shorting it there, or even taking a short at all, it's up to you. But let's watch and see if it's going to hold here and then start to retrace and then go into another buy. All right. If gold starts to form some support here and it's going to start to rise, this is what we're looking for. All right. You can see that it's still holding above the 50. This could be just a cool off period. So let's watch. Let's take a look at Nasdaq, guys. Okay, it's still holding. Okay, indecision. Look at it's still below though, the moving average. Still making an uptrend here, forming like an ascending symmetrical triangle almost. See the price is starting to dive down in here. Okay, price is ascending. 1 sec. Okay. So Chop City slow, a lot of slow action on gold. And there's oil. Let's monitor this. It'll be like a swing trade. Let's go check out gold. All right. Okay, guys, I gotta let the dog out in 2 seconds. I'll be right back. So just hold tight, okay? Won't go anywhere. Okay, guys, so you can see that gold is still finding that support there. Okay, 1908 looking very nice so far. Still a downtrend formation. All right, but you can see we got to get a little bit more momentum here. The buyers have got to step in. You know, we need to break that moving average to 9 for a continuation. All right, gold's looking good. Remember, you guys should be up at least 15 pips on US 30 right now. Okay, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to secure at will. Okay, gold is still pumping. Let's check out Nasdaq. A little bit of consolidation, guys. A little bit of consolidation. They are pushing it above, though, that 13,906. Okay, 13,906. So easily Aurelian, good, 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 guys. 20 pips easily. US 30 ran almost 25. Okay, so if you guys are in on that, secure. Don't get greedy. I'm good with 20 pips. I just secured 20 pips on that trade. All right. Okay, so you can see that gold, guys, it's just starting to close above that moving average now. Okay, so we have 8:30, guys. We did have a few news folders drop here. Dinesh, if you are on YouTube, buddy, I hate to do this, but you keep sending me your link to your bot. I'm not going to add your bot to my group. Okay, I need to say this loud, but I don't know if you're here or not. You've emailed us 25 times. Okay, I'm not trying to be rude, but you keep sending us your bot. We don't add bots to our group. Okay, we need your username, personal username, bro. Okay, personal username, not your bot. I have 25 emails from you. Please send your username, not your bot. I'm not trying to be rude here. Just send us what we need, and you can see everybody else in the group is happy. You keep sending us the wrong thing, man. We don't add bots to our group. Okay, that makes no sense. Okay, guys, let's go check out Nasdaq here. So Nasdaq, guys, you can see it made a little bit of a push. Oh, it's US 500, sorry. Very similar to Nasdaq. So Nasdaq made a retest of the initial dump of 13,925. All right. You can see now if it starts to break this support level right here, she's going down. All right, she's going to fill this bottom wick right here. But we need to start to get that momentum here. All right. If she breaks here, guys, this thing is an easy drop down to 13,882. Okay. Let's watch. They've attempted this many times, and you can see it's forming an uptrend. With the rejection now, it's closed into almost an apex-like feature with the resistance. So let's watch. Yeah, I was thinking that too, Matt. Looks pretty good so far. There we go, guys. Remember I told you, as soon as it dumps here, past here, it's coming right back down to this level. All right. So it's looking good. Where's the next steps on Nasdaq we have? If price wants to float back down even further, okay, this is the move down here. All right, we have some support here in terms of the wicks, exactly how this wick area was. So if the price wants to drop continuation, we're looking at somewhere down here. All right, gold is starting to float and rise. Yeah, Lone Rider, scammers keep sending, offering something. Yeah, that's exactly it. Did you guys take Nasdaq? Did you guys take gold? What are you guys looking at taking right now? Nasdaq was a pure dump, guys. US 30 was money. We ran about 20 pips on US 30. Nasdaq was nice. I'm back in gold, guys. Let's go. There we go. Nor, stay where you're at, girl. Look at that. Look at gold, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. You've been holding lows since London low. Nice, man. Nice. See, gold, guys. Remember I told you if it bounced off here and held, he's going to start to rise. The key areas were breaking down here. Remember, we have an overall uptrend formation. It's looking pretty good on gold. Okay, is anyone in gold here? Is anyone in gold? All right, you would have been a nice little push and a pull. All right. Gab, a free signal. Chatty, you just missed two. You were chatting along. You're being too chatty. Look at Nasdaq, guys, starting to dump. Remember, I told you, 13,863. If it's gonna sell, it's looking beautiful. No buys taken here. Wasted charting. Wasted time on looking for the buys right now. Okay, let's see, guys. Okay, so let's see this right here. Okay, so remember we have this long drawdown, sorry, the long uptrend here, and then the massive rejection. Check this out. Look at where they closed below the RSI, below the 50 mark. Okay, next one started to decrease in value. All right, so that's your retest here. They broke it over here. Okay, they held it, they retested the 50 line, and then it started to sink. All right, so don't get greedy, guys. Nasdaq, it will gather some kind of buyers around here. All right, so let's just see how it starts to react based on the price that we're approaching. Okay, no, I'm not. No, 20-30 pips, guys. I'm done. Okay, 20-30 pips, I'm done. Okay, let's go check out oil for 1 second here, just because we did chart it. Uh-oh, guys, what's going on with oil here? Let's go on the 15-minute. Okay, nothing just yet. Okay, there's gold. Guys, if we start to make a higher high here, we got to break this wick, the high, 1914. Price will then most likely fill this bearish wick to the left here. All right, and then you're going to get your approach continuation to make the higher high. Okay, okay, let's see what we have on news here. Okay, nothing much until 9:45. Yusuf, if you missed the gold buy anywhere around here, yeah, I would not be chasing now, just because it's starting to, it's starting to get a push. If it does start to grab, if you do grab here and it starts to reject and you use a larger lot, you're not going to be happy, right? So that's what I mean. You got to watch, guys. I said if it held here, it's going to be into a buy, and it did. All right. Okay, let's go check out Nas for 2 seconds here. There's Nasdaq, guys. Boom. Government adopts Russia. Perfect. Let's see what we have here, guys. We have a news folder here. My man Sujith. Thank you. Guys, look to secure some of the Nas sell. Okay. We're at a critical area where the buyers have been, which is why you're getting the buyers step in here. Okay. We're just going to check out Swiss governments adopt EU sanctions on Russia, freezes assets, targeted people and companies effective immediately. Okay, that's big, guys. That's big. That was at 8:30, about 9 minutes ago. Okay, Swiss government adopts EU sanction on Russia, freezes assets to targeting people, and adopts financial sanctions against President Putin and other Russian officials. That's big. Okay. Thanks, Shujith. That's awesome, man. Guys, you can see, remember, previous structure, buyers here. Okay. You're going to start to see this probably increase in volume. We got to get above here. This is the key area right there, 13,892. Remember all that support that they formed? This is going to act as resistance now. Okay, you can see that the moving average, if we dive in here a little bit deeper. Okay, here we go. See the moving average right here coming to the support. We're going to watch and see if price can break through both and maybe have a continuation. All right. If it doesn't, you're going to see some rejection come from here, and it's just going to start to slowly fold. Okay. Okay. There's gold, guys. Let's take a look at the RSI here. Okay, trying to move. Guys, if you want US 30 at 930, okay, the likes are at like 167. You can bump it up to 300. That'd be huge. Okay, indecision right now. Let's go check out oil. Okay, let's go check out the oil trade. Slowly selling, guys. Okay, good. There's Nasdaq continuation, guys. Look at this. There we go. There's the rejection. Okay, remember I mentioned to you that the rejection come at the 9 moving average and the other support, which is acting as resistance. All right. Okay, look at gold here. Gold is looking bullish, guys. Okay, 48 seconds here. Okay, guys, there you go. Had a continuation to making a higher high. There's gold. 1750 is going to be the target. Okay. Okay, so guys, you can see gold is starting to push now, getting a little bit of rejection here. We're going to start to see how far it's going to get sold off until. Okay, we have a nice little wick. Previous resistance is there, which is that top wick. And here. Okay, now we have another wick up here. To break here, guys, it's going to make a higher high. Alright, so let's watch. Okay, and to the left, it's on the 5. 15 here. Okay, let's go check out oil and Nasdaq for 1 second. I want to see Nas. Okay, it still has not broke above. Still looking like it's going to be in a short. Okay, about 2 minutes. Go check out gold again. Okay, slow retracement here, guys. Slow retracement coming into 9 o'clock. 10 minutes, guys. Sorry, about 13 minutes will be 9. Alright, so let's just relax, chill, guys. We've had nice movement so far. Like, for real. That's 50 pips. If you guys, listen, if you guys are having a hard time making a pip, okay, if you guys are trading on your own and this and that, like, try to adopt what we're doing here, you know what I mean? We have people who are still struggling, all right, not maybe with our group, but with other things. Guys, it's all about patience, and you got to have realistic goals. A lot of these people who join, like, it boggles my mind. I don't make 100 pips a day. I'm like, well, neither sometimes do we, you know, or does anyone. Some people I think have real serious unrealistic things about how this is actually done, and I blame Instagram for it, guys. Personally, I blame Instagram for it. But realistically, guys, if you just take your time, chart and trade, you guys will understand that it takes a little bit of time for things to be able to start to happen. Like, for example, oil. Okay, we set up this oil chart about 15-20 minutes ago, and it's taken time to even get close to this level right here. All right, Elbin, I don't know, it depends on your account. Is 2% realistic? Yeah, I do. I've seen people make 10-15%, right? But 2%, you guys got to understand, what is 2% of your account? If you guys don't understand what even 2% of your account is, how can you guys make it? we have people who want to join and get signals all day, but then, you know what I mean, they don't even understand how to enter a trade on MetaTrader 4. It's unrealistic visions. Unrealistic, guys. Okay, about 10 seconds left. Let's watch and see what's going to happen with gold here. Okay. Do I use IG? Yeah, I do use IG. Yes. We have Stock Sniper trading IG. That's what you want to look at. I think if you wanted to make 2%, you needed to guts to lose 2% as well. Of course, guys, this is, of course, you have to be able to willing to lose it too, or else there's no, it's not going to work like that, right? Okay, so watch the gold pullback here. We still have a nice steady uptrend, guys. I'm still liking gold right now. You can still see a nice little uptrend here, formation. All right, how far are we going to get the push to? We're probably going to get a little bit of retracement, come back. Okay, still continuing, guys. Okay, big move. Big move to 1750 if this makes it, guys. Okay, let's go check out Nasdaq. There's gold. I don't want to miss gold for a sec, guys. I want to watch gold here. Big bullish move. Okay, guys, when it taps here, okay, let's watch and see if we're going to get maybe a potential sell opportunity. Let's watch. Sorry, 1750 right here. 17.50. That's what I mean by it. 1917.50. Yeah, we'll go check out oil for 1 sec, guys. Nothing yet. Gonna come to an apex, guys. So we're gonna watch and see how this is gonna go. Okay, guys, remember 300 likes get your US 30 here, okay? Yeah, just right here, 17.50. So I say 1750. There we go, guys. Watch the push. Higher high, higher low, higher high. You're gonna make another higher low, guys. Probably as soon as it taps here. Okay, as soon as it taps here, guys, don't get greedy. This is just the start of it. Price can still anywhere around in this area. Remember, we can get up to here. That's the tall wick. This is just the bearish candle that led to the overall sell. Okay. So there's the tap, guys. There's the tap. All right. So check out Nasdaq now. There's your retest on Nas. Okay, so remember we found some support here. Remember I mentioned bullish support, bullish uptrend here. All right. So don't get greedy, guys. Be patient. All right. Make sure you understand that price is starting to move volatile. It's coming into 9 o'clock. All right. Okay, new candle has opened, guys. It's flickering bullish here. You can see getting a little bit of a top wick. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. All right. Watch your pullback here, guys. You're going to get a pullback. Okay, on 5. Overall retracement stomach. The pullback most likely is just going to come down to here. I don't have this price tag market on there. You can see 1914.5. Okay, we'll watch and see if it gets there. That's where it's held support. Okay, 1914.5. All right. Guys, so understand that price when you're rising, okay, you're going to get pullbacks. It's the job, it's just how it works. If you wanted to trade on 15-minute hourly candles, you won't see a lot of these pullbacks, all right, but on short-term time frames you will. Let's watch and see if the short sellers are going to get dusted right now because the overall momentum is bullish. Okay, this is a beast trade, guys. You understand that this is, we were in from 1908. Okay, that thing's a beast. Look at that. Into the map. $8.90 move. $8.90 move. Okay, and it's still rising. Okay, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, let's go check out some of the trades here, guys. Got 3 minutes. Let's check out Nas. Okay, so Nasdaq getting a little bit of recreation of potential selling pressure here. Okay, you can see it's finding some support right at that moving average, right at the overall support, which is to the left. All right, bouncing on indecision, right around the 50 line as well. Okay, so leave Nasdaq alone. Remember, it's an indice. We got the, the market open coming very soon. So let's watch and see what's going to happen based on that. Okay, so let's go check out gold, guys. I want to take a 1 minute break here. All right, come back. We're going to do US 30. Okay, remember that US 30 trade idea today? Remember we were on the call? Nice push. You had till about, you know what I mean, 8 o'clock, 8:30 till about it. No, not 8:30, about 7:45, 8 till it dumped off. So that's why I told you before the call. Look around here, the resistance, and then it got your overall sell. So the thing ran around 140 pips, all right? It was still good. So guys, 1 minute until 9, about 23 seconds here. I'm going to leave gold on. Okay, so gold is starting to close below that 1750, guys. It's currently 9. All right, I am going to take a 2-second break, guys, leading into market open. All right, me personally, guys, I do see potential sell opportunity on gold starting to rise here. Okay, it's closing a little bit of indecision here. We got to get below the moving average. All right. So if we're going to short, it's looking somewhere along here. Okay. Roughly around there. All right, guys. So I'm going to take a 2-second break here. I'll be back. We'll do US 30. All right. All right, guys. All right, so you can see gold is still holding support at that 1916 area. If it starts to bleed and break, okay, it's currently forming an engulfing candlestick. All right, it's currently forming an engulfing candlestick, but to actually close an engulfing is a lot different than forming. All right, so guys, 904. Okay, likes are almost there, guys. 50 more likes. Smash the like button, guys, if you want US 30 top down. What do you guys want it on? Do you guys want a Wanda or do you guys want Global Prime? Wanda. Global. Okay, guys, we'll do global. All right. So smash the like button, guys, if you want the dirty 30. Let's make some pips. 72, perfect, guys. All right, keep smashing it. There we go. This is US 30 on the daily, guys. You can see where we're at. You can see where price is forming. Right in around here. Some daily demand. All right, guys, thanks for the likes. Much love to you guys. Let's get down to some business here. Long bottom wick, okay? Long bottom wick, guys. Keep that in mind. Wick right there. Perfect, okay? So from daily, we're going to drop down to the 4 hour. Okay. Tighten, tighten, tighten. See where we're at, guys. We are kind of trapped right around this area right here, okay? Remove that for now. Okay, and then we have the resistance here forming on the gap. We're going to drop down to the hourly. Yeah, guys, we'll go check out gold in 2 seconds here. Okay, so sideways trading. Let's drop down to the 30-minute here, guys. Okay, just going to move this over. Gather that right there. Perfect. Okay, then we're going to drop down to the 15. And this is what we're working with, guys, on the dirty. Okay, and then we'll drop down to the 5 and we'll work based on here. Okay, all right, guys. So you can see US 30 is slowly starting to rise. All right. There we go. Nice little uptrend forming here. We need to break this uptrend if we're going to continue on our downtrend, guys. All right. So what I mean is price needs to break here, this overall trend, break support if we're going to continue to the downside. Let's add on our moving average. You can see it's starting to close above. And this is what we're working with right now. Okay. So guys, no rush. Need us only 909. All right, we're going to take our time. We're going to go check out gold. All right, guys, we're literally, I think it's around 25 subs from 27,000. Okay, guys, we're going to do a giveaway for a 1 month for the 27,000 subscriber. All right, we'll check it out and then we'll announce it on our Instagram. All right, so you guys can check that out, if you guys are not familiar with it, stocksnipertrading.com is a good place to find our Instagram. Okay, let me just kind of show you here. We'll announce the winner for 27,000 for the one free month. That's it, on our Instagram, so you can follow it right in here. Okay. So go check out gold. Slowly starting to decrease, guys. Let's watch. Okay, so guys, remember, coming into almost 9:30. If you guys don't feel like trading gold, you don't have to. Thought this would take formation a little bit earlier. Okay, but remember, we're going to trade US 30 or Nasdaq before. But let's just sit and watch gold for now. Here's your gold retracement. Okay, there's your gold sell, guys. Okay, don't get greedy. Take when you can. All right, take when you can. Remember, on 5 minutes, you see some erratic behavior. Okay, so there we go, guys. Almost tapped. All right, would have been about a probably 15 pip drop. You can still see. Let's see if we're going to get a continuation back down to at least the overall consolidation box. All right, before we made a nice little pump. All right. Guys, did you guys trade gold today? Nasdaq? What did you guys trade? Let's go take a look at Nas too. Okay, so there's Nasdaq pushing right up. All right. Perfect, guys. Nice, good, good. Dirty 30. Okay, now remember, approaching this overall trend right here. Okay. We're going to see if it's going to get some rejection here, if it's going to push back up, leading for the overall continuation. Okay. There's gold, guys. Nice. Beautiful sell on gold. If it drops, guys, and continues, 1910 going to be the target. Guys, smash the like button or comment in the chat if you guys got any of the gold buys or the gold sells, Nasdaq, whatever it may be. Put in the chat, let me know what you guys did. Yusuf, nice, nice, nice. Almost 2% of your account in one trade. Nice, nice, good, guys. Perfect. Okay, let's go check out US 30. Okay, so members, if you guys held that original buy, remember this was down here. Okay, you guys are still walking up, all right? Still walking up. So let's go check out and watch and see if gold is still going to have the potential sell. We'll get the long wick on gold, guys. Yep, engulfing candlestick, which led to the overall sell continuation right back down to 1912. Okay, so 916, guys. Let's go check out US 30 here. Still rising, okay? No, I'm not. Seawoods, I closed. I closed. Guys, just a quick tip. When you're joining, you need to have a Telegram username link and you need to have a username, okay? For you guys just putting your name, it's not easy for us to find you because a lot of times there's multiple users, all right? You can't send bots and you can't send just regular names. Okay, so guys, any kind of shorts on US 30, I'm looking down here, all right? Break the overall downtrend. Notice the indecision we have here and any kind of longs to fill. We're looking up here. Yeah, I know, Kalo, I know. Okay, guys, let me make a poll in the group here. I'm probably just going to trade US 30 from now. All right. But let's watch and see how we're going to start to do this. Okay. Okay. Order, there we go. Perfect, guys. Okay, so let's watch and see what's going to happen on US 30 here. Okay, guys, remember US 30 on the 5-minute. This is on Global Prime. Okay, so now that we have this set up, let's go check out gold. Okay, so you see how they dipped out quick, guys? This was pretty much an FU candle. All right, it's a wick, obviously, that draw down, and then you have the buyers pushing it right back up. Most likely they're going to start to fill this wick right here, 1912, and we're going to see if they're going to get a continuation based on the wick fill. All right. If it doesn't, guys, you're going to start to see the support form at 1913, and you're going to start to see it walk to the upside and make the higher high. Remember, we talked about higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We're going to have to see if we're going to make another higher high here. Okay. Okay. Guys, if there's an Ash Reynolds on here, there's about 5 usernames. With your username, we've exchanged now 20 emails of me trying to send you screenshots saying that there is multiple users with your username. You need to send me your screenshot of your Telegram link, or just send me your link so we can add you. I'm not sure if you're understanding the fact that there are multiple users with your name. I'm not trying to be rude, but you cannot have we cannot include you unless you have that. Guys, I don't want to expose people here, but I don't know if people are understanding how this works. So, but that's nor here nor there. People just have to understand that they need to give us what we need to be able to add to the group, and then we're good. Yes, he could send the QR code. We've asked for that too. Absolutely. Okay, so there's Nasdaq, guys. Remember, we talked about approaching right back to getting into the consolidation area. It pushed up, but then it got rejected at that 13,941. Okay, so I'm still going to keep this here. If we start to rise on Nasdaq, guys, you can see we are above the moving average. Okay, in terms of the 9, we're above the 50 line. All right, so let's watch and see if we're going to get a push continuation or if it's going to start to short again. All right, that was the overall move for the short. Didn't catch the buy, but if you did, you can see it starting to rise. All right. If you're long, this is what we're working with here. Yeah, Aurelian, if you're patient with indices, you can 10 pip in a micro movement. It's fast. Right? So that's why being patient is very, very critical. All right, guys, so we're most likely just going to watch US 30 for market open. All right, we're going to keep everything else on here. I just want to watch and see what's going to happen with gold. Okay, let's take a look on the 15-minute here. Guys, if we're going to continue to make the higher highs on gold, all right, long position is going to be up here. This thing is going to make nice big moves. Remember, we have a long wick, a very long wick. All right, to the left. Start to break above here. Price will rise. All right, may not happen now, but we'll watch and see. No, I'm not. I'm just waiting, guys. I'm mostly likely looking at US 30, okay? Okay, about 9:24, 5 minutes until almost 6 minutes until we have okay, about 9:25. Okay, one sec. Okay. First 4 minutes, guys. Let's watch and see. Sorry, first minute. Okay, then we're going to head over look at US 30 here. All right. Finding nice support right here. Is that candle wick right there? There we go. We're just going to remove that. Okay, guys. So we're just going to chill out here about 4 minutes until market open. What do you guys think? Do you guys think US 30 is bullish or bearish, guys? What are your thoughts? US 30 bullish or bearish here? Look at oil just dancing, guys. Oil's just dancing. Okay, about 2 minutes and 50 seconds here. US bullish, bearish, guys. Perfect. Perfect. Let's watch and see. Okay, 2 minutes. I'm going to adjust now, put on the price flags. Remember, these are rough, guys. This is a rough estimate here in terms of numbers. Like I said, the only reason why I'm saying that is because mine may be different than yours. All right. Okay, about 1 minute and 30 seconds here. Okay, under a minute, guys. Let's take a look at the 15 before we do this. All right, obviously you can't really tell. Potential head and shoulder here. I can see a shoulder here, head, shoulder, maybe the retest here, or the possible retracement and continuation of the downtrend. All right, so it could be bearish based on the head and shoulder pattern here. All right, so let's watch and see. Just right near that 50 line, you can start to see if we put right there. Okay, so let's watch and see if we're going to break. We'll go here. Okay, here we go, guys. Just under 15 seconds, okay? Let's watch and see what's going to happen on the dirty 30. Don't fall for the head fakes right initially, guys. Wait, don't enter in this shit right now. They dumped it right into the plan, okay? Right into the plan. Now we got to see if it's going to start to continue, okay? This was not expected, so just wait. Remember I said 10-15 minutes. Let them do their thing. All right, let them do their thing. It's kind of chop right now. Okay, gold selling off here. Let's go check it out. Okay, there's a continuation filling this wick right here. Okay, let's watch and see if we're going to get an overall sell movement with a breakthrough of gold. Okay, let's go check out Nasdaq. There's Nasdaq breaking through the overall continuation, guys, so it's perfect. It almost tapped target right off the bat. Okay, gold sold off. US 30 is kind of doing dance in between indecision. Overall uptrend, guys. You can start to see that Nasdaq had a continuation. Now that's just the first candle. Remember, this is just 9:30. All right, this is just 9:30. So just be aware, gold filling that wick. Okay, members, you can erase that buy stop. All right, you can erase it. Gold is still selling. Okay, erase that for now. Okay, let's go check out US 30. You can see gold make nice moves here. The dirty 30, I think, is just dancing around in and out. That's why you let it do its thing. Okay, so remember, first 5-minute candle, let it play out. Remember, wait 10 to 15 minutes at 9:30. Okay. Yeah, gold dumped, guys. Let's watch and see. Oof, guys, look at this. Beautiful 1913 on gold. All right. Filled this wick, had its continuation. Massive sell pressure on gold, guys. This is a head and shoulder pattern here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Okay, with a continuation. Right back down to that 1908, which is the original entry price of the buy. Okay, massive sell candle here. Okay, gold oil is starting to dump. Okay, watch oil. There's US 30 here, okay? Okay, so US 30 members, if you guys got that, you guys should be looking pretty good so far. Okay, let's go check out gold again. Okay, so gold is finding a little bit of support at that 1908. All right, we're going to see if we're going to get a continuation. They broke the trend, okay, holding below now. We're going to see if we're going to get a walk. Okay, members, I just closed the US 30 buy in blue. All right, watch accordingly. Let's watch and see what happens. Hey Dave, I made 1K today with 3K account in Nasdaq scalping. Thanks for all your help. No problem, Stefan. Good job, man. That's huge. Wow. Massive pumps, guys. If you guys are still holding US 30, check it out. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's go check out. Nasdaq is getting a little bit of retracement here, okay? Nope, Nasdaq's getting pushed down. All right, not near entry yet, okay? But you can see we weren't really focusing on this. We just kind of drew it up, all right? So if you guys grabbed NAS, congratulations. We were watching mostly US 30 and gold. All right, you can see that gold is finding new support here. Same entry 1908, and it's pushing back up. So if you guys didn't collect any of your pips on the sell, you guys are seeing it now, watching it retrace to back to the original wick. All right, what happened was you didn't secure pips, guys. That's the way it is. Markets erratically erase and move, all right, based on the overall structure. All right, so let's watch and see now what's going to happen with US 30. No, Adnan, I didn't enter US 30 yet. I was down on here and I closed. All right, I'm watching it do its thing. If you check the Zoom chat, I mentioned that. Now we're just in a key area right here for buying and selling. Okay, so let's go check out one thing here. Okay, oil's retraced. All right, found a little bit of a dip here. Okay, there's gold, guys. Look at gold. Okay. Okay, this is a lot of volume here, guys. This is a lot of volume being pushed right now. All right, that gold is that's a beast of a candle here. You had a massive sell then a massive push, guys. Like this thing is, it potentially can run. All right, so you can see now with the sell, if you didn't take, look what happened. Massive pump back up. Okay, gold is bullish, guys. A lot of people are going to be putting money into gold and stuff like that right now, so remember. All right, let's go back to the dirty. All right, here we go. Okay. Okay, guys, so you can see the push and then the obvious rejection here, okay? So this is similar to gold, okay? They had a push, then a reversal. Gold was a dump, then a pump, all right? So remember, 935, 940. Now you're starting to come into the time where, 10 to 15 minutes. Let the market do its thing, guys. They're going to try to head fake you, take you out, all right? It happens all the time. Okay, huge sell. Look at this big wick, guys. Big wick. Okay, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Do you see why the head fake action, it's possible to, and better for everyone to wait? This is why. Ignore the head fakes, guys. Ignore the head fakes. I know it's not easy, but we want to make sure that we're getting this, and so we're not getting trapped in. That's the main goal. All right. Yeah, Nas is looking at the same pattern, guys. I'm definitely watching it right now. Yeah, 100 pip candles are saying for sure. 100 pip candles are definitely scary, but that's why you just have some patience. Just wait. Okay, about a minute and 20 left. Let's go check out our gold. Okay, see gold is rising, guys. Look at the rise on gold. Nasdaq full retracement, guys. Full retracement on Nasdaq, looking to potentially sell. Okay, so let's just watch here, let it dance, do its thing. Ben, yeah, it does, obviously. Gold definitely does for sure, all right? indecision, guys. Yep, choppy, choppy like Chuck Norris. Yeah. It is, guys. Not much you can do about it. You just got to watch price, be a little bit patient here. That's why I said wait 10 to 15 minutes. We could just stop the stream with this type of market open and then resume. You know what I mean? We're only going to stay for about 10 more minutes. 9:55 anyways. We started early, so guess let's go watch gold, guys. You can see US 30 is maybe getting a little push here, a little double bottom, slowly rising. Okay, slowly rising. Key, just remember this, buddy. Remember the first sentence right here. Don't worry about this part. Worry about this. This is the best thing you can ever learn. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, my man. I'm trying to tell you right now. It'll save you a lot of stress. It will. The memes, guys. That's true. The memes. Trust me. You guys want to jump in ahead of time? You're gonna get taught a different lesson. Not by me. All right, not by me. Check out gold. Yeah, still indecision right now, guys. A lot of top wicks. All right. Nothing just yet. Sideways trading. Okay, so you can see, guys, by the moving average, it's definitely sideways. So let's watch and see if this is going to start to get some rejection there and potentially start to sell. Okay. Yeah, US 30 is trading in a range, guys. When it trades like this, you want to basically get some demand and some supply right here, and you want to trade supply and demand, 5 minute to 5 minute. That's the best way how to do it. Okay. With this type of stuff right here, the breakouts, they might head fake out, so that's why I said wait a little bit until we get the indecision. So let's go check out gold here. Yep, Sujith, good, you got it. I was in and out too. Gold is getting rejected here so far. Okay. So check out oil. There's oil, guys, looking pretty good so far. Wilson, it's 3 and 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. Okay, going bullish now. You can see it's holding above that 9 moving average. All right, no real dip down yet. Hasn't broke. All the candles have closed above it. Okay, let's watch. Yeah, indecisive market, guys. So we're going to stay for about 5 more minutes. Call it a day. Okay, let's go check out oil. Okay, nothing, just dropping out on oil, guys. There's still a big gap to fill, but they might not do it just yet. So let's watch and see how oil is going to start to present itself for the next little bit. Okay, look at the crazy action on Nasdaq. Up, down, not really worth trading, guys. Gold is very similar. You can still see it selling off here, triple top. Not much is happening. All right, and then you got your US 30. The market wasn't nice today. Depending on when you signed in, for sure. Boom, guys. Johnny on gold. Yes, it is. Nice push, guys. Nice push. Let's go so we can get a ride up a little bit more. Indecision right now. Look at these long wicks. No, Kareem, sell was right here, and I already went out. I only go for 10, 15 pips, guys. Okay, 40 seconds here. Look at the indecision now. Getting a lot of push down, guys. If you're still in that sell, just watch and monitor. Just watch and monitor to see if we're going to get a push down here. Start to break here, and we're going to start to maybe get into a sell. Let's watch. Okay, 1 second, guys. 9:55. Here we go. All right. New candle's opening. Let's watch and see how this goes. All right, guys. You can see now US 30 starting to push a little bit to the upside here. Okay. Gold is still not even close to that buy stop, guys. All right. Just leave it on there. Let's watch. Okay. All right, guys. 9:55. We've been on here for a long time. All right. A little slow of a market here. So I don't really want to just be sitting here waiting. Guys, if you want to join up, okay, the team, like I said, the new site's coming. We're doing some beta testing today. So hopefully, I'm not going to guarantee anything, but by the end of this week, things should be looking good. Okay. This is our program right here, guys. So we do everything moving forward where you guys are going to have a little bit more of it. Members are going to get things a little different. Okay. Monday through Friday for London and New York. Okay. 5 sessions per, then you get 4 per Tokyo. Okay, two Tokyo webinars. All right, it's great. We upload these so it's sorted to the site. Okay, YouTube Live, guys. Like I said, this is only for New York. Everything else is in our private Zoom. Okay. So guys, what you also get is 3 to 5 trade signals per day. A US 30 buy that we already hit today ran for about, I think it was 140, 150 pips in the morning. Okay, this was before we did the stream. All right, so it's looking pretty good. Kareem, hopefully you're still holding your entry there. Okay, guys, we have right now some basic videos on the site. We have about a bunch more that are already uploaded, ready to go for the new ones, so it's going to be good. Case studies, as well as trade ideas, like I mentioned, 3 to 5. Case studies are just trade recaps, similar to our blog, so they'll be updated on our new site as well. Okay, that's just our monthly program, guys. If you want to join, kind of like our 3612, be part of us for a little bit longer. All PayPal plans, guys, you get included on our boot camp. Okay, that we'll be really launching more information on. It's going to be maybe the end of March, early April, but we'll update you based on the actual dates. So all included in the PayPal ones, 3612. Guys, if you want to join up, you are grandfathered in at whatever price that you want to join at. All right, so just keep that in mind. Nothing changes. Okay, so whatever you join, that'll be the price for the rest of your life. If you cancel, obviously, and you want to come back, you got to pay something different, right? Depending on what it is. All right, so yeah, guys, so if you want to join the 101 too, we're booking 3 to 4 weeks in advance on those. Sometimes we can squeeze you in, but like I said, it's a tight schedule right now, so it's busy. It's very busy. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. All right, for the memberships, guys. Pay it forward. Why we go live on YouTube, obviously, is just to grow the channel. Seeing steady growth over time is nice, and just wanted to say thank you for everyone who are signing on here. Eventually, guys, like I said, we will be slowing down, doing more private sessions and stuff like that. It's more beneficial to our members, but when that happens, obviously you guys will know. So you can see that US 30 has not made a move just yet. Okay, gold was probably the best one of the day so far. Okay, we had the gold buy. All right, we had the gold buy, and then we had the gold retracement here for the sell, and then you can see that it pushed right back up. Okay, so buy and sell was nice. The buy here for the retracement was also nice if you got it, but gold was really good. Nasdaq was nice to us today as well. Nice little short-term sell here. Nasdaq is starting to ride. Okay, you have a short-term sell-off here. This is what we were in, and then if you held the overall buy, like I said, you're looking pretty good for Nasdaq. Nasdaq has got a huge imbalance to fill, and that's what it's currently starting to do. Okay, oil, guys, let's check out oil trade. You can still see it's dipping down. All right, it's still almost maybe 10, 15 pips in profit. We'll monitor this accordingly for you guys members. All right, so guys, that being said, what a day. It was good. You can see that oil and gold gold is still selling off, so it's looking pretty nice, guys. 27,000 subs, I believe. So we do have, let's watch and see, 27K. So we'll be putting an Instagram winner on there, on a winner on Instagram, so you guys can see who won it. So guys, have a good day. Same time, same channel tomorrow. Members, watch and see. We'll update you based on what we see. Okay, God bless, guys. See you tomorrow. Later.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by